Hello everyone, I'm Sheena Joella C. Padre, BHHM Block 10. Today we discuss how to excel fundamental arithmetic, operation, sorting, and charting. Now we open this block, column A. Column B. Yes. Type lang tayo ng random number.
Welcome to the United States. Welcome to our national park.
Let's select this.
Thank you very much.
From B, mga ano na lang, technology. Right.
Secret of America. And this of the American people and American frontier.
Cellphone.
The beautiful city of its Rams Memorial. Its walk is indeed a city that memorializes the great achievements of your people in the past 2 centuries. But more than that, it's offering the enterprising, the talented, the courageous, and the strong reward. And at the same time, as I stand in American soil, I like Iceland. What indeed is central, well, to what the United States of America. Here, where, as I have women still to be here, the people being born. The figures being born, depending upon the
Sino pa ang reklamo? Kung inciting to sedition at great threats, si Vice President Sara Duterte, kahit sa kapatang
Use the arithmetic operation formula like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now let's do it the arithmetic operation formula. Now let's create a chart. The chart title is my name. And that's all.